what they do and before make vaccine. The protocol has changed. Since we have seen the virus moving down, we have added a new protocol, and that is you make many cups. In one of the cups, you take the zinc out of the circulation and you put only nano coated material and the copper, and you produce a pure CuO. With this, you collect the amino acid on top all the time and you keep on washing it. And at the same time, keep some of the salt separately, salt water inside separately, with some of the Gans of the copper. With a new evolution in the corona, you need a copper Gans for two reasons. From lung down, everything is mainly muscles. Even your arms, there is not that much muscle above the what we call lung diaphragm, the top level. This part is mainly made of copper connection muscles. So it responds very rapidly to copper. Secondly, copper Gans water with few drops of its salt in it is one of the best antibiotics you ever put your hands on. Is many times more effective in killing germs than actually any antibiotic we know. So we have evolved with this. The doctors, the medical team, I'm given the specific advice on the Iranian channel that you can use again patches of copper with CO2 on these organs like liver and kidney, back and the front. There is no direct contact and you can withdraw it for womb, for ovaries, for muscles, leg muscles, and foot. At the same time, you use a CuO direct, is Gans's water. The Gans's water for disinfection. Very powerful. But you have to allow some of the very minute amount of Gans of copper to be in that mixture because it will stay behind permanently to keep disinfected. The same as the salt spray. You can add the very small amount of CuO in the salt water where you wash, where you're cleaning the copper and use as a disinfectant. This is one of the most powerful disinfectants we can recommend at this moment to be used. When you make the copper Gans, when you're washing it, keep the salt and add very, very small amount of copper into it for disinfecting the room and the offices. Because now we are dealing with a different strength virus and we have to change the protocol.